We just got a JDM tow hooks. Woo! The idom actually means seize the day in Chinese. I test fitted the hook on my bumper and it actually looks pretty good. But sadly, we need to take off the bumper for the install. There should be enough space for everything. Should have enough space. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, come on. Yes, sir. Sir. Ah, that's a problem. Need a wrench. Had to pull out the big guns. Yes, sir. We're done. Let's clean it up with some alcohol. We're finally finished with the install and it looks pretty good. The car looks old in comparison, but we'll fix that eventually. Almost forgot.